Who the fuck is this? Paging me at 5:46 in the morning. Crack of dawning, now I'm yawning. White and cold out my Who's this paging me and why? It's my nigga Pop from the barber shop. Told me he was in the gambling spot and heard the intro. Why a niggas wanna stick me like fly paper, neighbor? Slow down, love, please chill, drop the paper. Remember them niggas from the hill up in Brownsville that you rolled dice with the old blood and got nice finger fingers. Blowing up like nitro when they wanna stick the knife through your windpipe slow. So take fame for the niggas, now I'm warning you. I got the back, nigga. Tell me what you gonna do. Yeah, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Niggas wanna
I need you to pray for me. I need you to care for me.